So welcome to the live session, the second live session of the course, Introduction to Machine Learning and Deep Learning, Fundamentals and Applications. So this is the second live session of the course, Machine Learning and Deep Learning, Fundamentals and Applications. If you have some questions, then you can put in the chat box and I will try to reply your questions. So first, I have some questions, 1 or 2 questions in the Excel sheet. So only one question by Vishnu. So he mentioned that what are the most significant challenges in deploying machine learning? So one important point is that for the deployment of the machine learning, one is that we need the data. So without data, significant amount of data, it is not possible to use machine learning algorithms. Second is the computational resources. So we need computational resources. So that is also the second point. Otherwise, I think it is okay to deploy machine learning and deep learning in any application areas, maybe in computer vision, many in computer science applications, even other engineering subjects also it is possible. But mainly the problem is the data. So we need huge amount of training data for the deep learning techniques, and for the machine learning also we need data. So if you have data, the relevant data, then it is easy to deploy the machine learning algorithms or the deep learning algorithms. So that is the only point I want to mention. And also you need the GPU if I consider the deep learning techniques. And if I consider the machine learning, I think simple PC or simple your laptop can do many things. But for the deep learning, mainly we have to consider the GPU. So that is only one question I have received in the from, that is in the shared from. Otherwise, I don't have any questions. So if you have any any questions in this session, then you can ask me in this second live session of the course on machine learning and deep learning, fundamentals and applications. So I'll be happy to give your answers. So if you have any questions, just write in the chat box and I'll be replying. So up till now, if you see the course, the web page. So in the course web page, what are the topics we have covered up till now? So up till now, we have covered the week number 1. That is, in the week number 1, we considered the concept of the machine learning. And in the second lecture, we discussed about the performance measurement. And one important point is the bias and the variance trade-off. And also in the week number 1, we discussed the concept of the linear regression. So that is in the week number 1. In the week number 2, we discussed the concept of the Bayes decision theory. So what is the Bayes decision theory? And for the normal density, how to determine the discriminant function, and the Bayes decision theory for the binary features, that is for the discrete case. And also one important discussion is the Bayesian belief network. So that is the course content of the week number 2. In week number 3, we discussed the concept of the parametric and the non-parametric density estimation. So here we discussed the parametric. First one is the parametric. We discussed 2 popular algorithms. One is the maximum likelihood estimation and another one is the Bayesian estimation. So we can determine the values of the parameters. Suppose if I consider the normal density. So for normal density, I have 2 parameters. One is the mean vector, another one is the covariance matrix. That is about the parametric method. In non-parametric method, directly we can determine the density. So we discuss 2 popular algorithms. One is the Parsons window method and another one is the k nearest neighbor technique. So we can determine the density. And also we have discussed how to consider the KNN for classification, the k nearest neighbor. In week number 4, we discussed the concept of the perceptron criteria. So that is based on the discriminant function. And also we discussed about the discriminative models. So one model is the support vector machine. So we have discussed about the support vector machine. That is in week number 4. In week number 5, we have discussed the concept of the logistic regression, decision trees, and the hidden Markov model. So these are all important topics: the logistic regression, decision trees, and the hidden Markov model. So how to consider the hidden Markov model for classification of temporal data. So that point also I have discussed. And week number 6 is the ensemble method, that mainly the concept of the bagging and the boosting. And one important point is the random forest. And there are many ensemble concepts or ensemble methods like bagging, boosting, and also we discussed about the concept of the AdaBoost classifier. And also we discussed the concept of the random forest. In week number 7, we are going to discuss the concept of the dimensionality reduction. And one important point is the PCA, the principal component analysis. So that point we discussed. And also we have to discuss the linear discriminant analysis. So two important concepts. One is the PCA, another one is the LDA. We have to discuss. And in week number 8, one important point is the concept of the mixer model. And for the mixer model, we are considering the Gaussian mixer model. And for determining the values of the parameters, we consider the concept of the expectation maximization algorithm. And also we have discussed the concept of the k-means clustering. So in week number 8, mainly the clustering and also the concept of the mixer model. And week number 9 is also the concept of the clustering, k-means clustering, fuzzy k-means clustering, so hierarchical clustering, the mean shift clustering. So all the clustering unsupervised techniques we have discussed in week number 8 and week number 9. Week number 10 is the artificial neural networks. So how the artificial neural networks can be considered for pattern classification. And we have discussed the concept of the supervised and the unsupervised classification. And one training algorithm is the backpropagation training. And also we discussed the concept of the radial basis function networks. Week number 11 is mainly the concept of the convolutional neural networks, CNN. So we have discussed different variations of the CNN, like the LeNet, LXNet, GoogleNet, and residual nets. And week number 12, finally, we discussed the concept of the generative adversarial networks, autoencoder, recurrent neural networks, and some of the programming examples. So up till now, we have discussed up to week number 7. So this is the outline of the course. So if you have any questions, then you can ask me in this live session. So here in the YouTube chat box, I have seen one question. Nair, sir, please suggest some employment opportunity after learning this course. Yes, now you know that machine learning is or the deep learning or the artificial intelligence. These are actually the new things, and you will get many job opportunities in private sectors. So if you know what is artificial intelligence, how you can apply the machine learning techniques, if you have a good concept of the deep learning, I think job is not a problem. But I think if you are a student, then better to continue higher study. Maybe you can do MTechs, or if you are a BTech student, then you can do MTechs or you can go for PhD. Otherwise, if you join in some companies, these are very important. All these points are very important. Mainly the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the deep learning. So if you have any questions, then you can put in the chat box. So another question just now I have seen. Akansha Gupta, when we use which algorithm, classify means based on types of learning. So in machine learning, actually, we discussed the concept of the supervised learning and the unsupervised learning. So suppose if I consider the discriminative models, then you may consider the support vector machine. Or the simple is, suppose if I consider the k nearest neighbor technique, KNN, or maybe some Bayesian classification techniques, we can consider it based on the problem. So what is the problem? And based on the problem, you can identify the classifier. So what classifier you should consider for a particular application. So if you have any questions, then you can just put in the chat box. I'm available here. So this is the second live session of the course on machine learning and deep learning, fundamentals and applications. So in this course, we have 4 live sessions. So this is the second live session of the course. So if you have any questions, then you can interact with me in this live session. So I'm waiting for your questions. So another question from Prabhakar Kumar. After this course, which course should I pursue for higher study? I'm already doing job, so I want to gain knowledge while doing job. So mainly this is the basic course on machine learning and the deep learning. So now the next step will be the how to do the programming. So you should learn the programming, mainly the Python programming, and also the applications of this machine learning and the deep learning algorithms. So for the deep learning, how to use the Colab or the Kaggle. So now after this course, I think better to start the programming things. So you should go for the programming. And there are other concepts also, but after doing this course, I think all the concepts you can understand. Many new things are coming in deep learning, but that if you understand this concept, basic concept, then it is easy to understand this concept. So now you try to focus on programming. That is the case. So Prabhakar Kumar or Akansha Gupta, can we get the transcript of or the book of machine learning? So these lecture slides are available in the portal. So lecture slides are available in the portal, and also these books already I have mentioned in my first class that you can see the book by Duda and Hart, the pattern classification by Duda and Hart, and another book on by Bishop. So that book also you can see. So if you see the first lecture of this course, I have given the name of the books. So I am following the book by Duda and Hart, and also the book by Bishop, and also one of my book is on computer vision and image processing, fundamentals and applications. So mainly I am following these 3 books. So you can see these books. So that is Orsana Akansha Gupta. So if you have any questions, then you can write in the chat box. So if you have any questions, then again you can write. So this is the second live session of the course on machine learning and deep learning, fundamentals and applications. So if you do have any questions, then you can write in the chat box. I'm available here. So these course materials are available in the website, in the portal. So you can get in the portal. And now the transcript. So now this NPTEL, they are providing the transcript of this course. So already I have given the transcript to the NPTEL team. So now they are putting the transcript in this portal. So Prabhakar Kumar, your question in exam will be like the question in the assignment or more numerical basis. No, it will be like assignment questions, and I think it will be easier than the assignment questions. So Prabhakar Kumar, I'm telling that that exam question paper will be easy as compared to your assignments, and not many numericals. Numericals will be there, but not too much. Mainly the concept oriented questions. So Arka Roy, sir, I am Arka Roy working as a PMRF TA for the course. I'm really thankful to you and NPTEL team for giving me this opportunity to conduct the live sessions. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So Prabhakar Kumar, do not think that exam will be difficult. So exam will be same as that of your assignment questions. And I think it will be more easier than the assignments. So if you have any questions, then you can write in the chat box. Oh, Mr. Rohit. So Orkar Roy, you mentioned that I solved the assignments. Participant and students are still asking for the official solution manual. Yes, yes. So I think our TAs, they are providing the solutions. I think up till week number 3 or week number 4. Weekly assignments. So I think it will be available in the portal. The solutions of all the assignments will be uploaded in the portal. And I think that TAs are doing on this. And maybe within 1 week, they will upload all the solutions in the portal. So if you have any questions, then please write in the chat box. So this is the live session, second live session of the course. And I'll be available for 1 hour. So any problems in this course? So any doubts about the concepts? And then you can write in the chat box. I will try to answer your questions. So just you write your questions in the chat box. I think up to week number 7, you have understood the concept. So this course, now it is combining both the machine learning and the deep learning. And also we have considered some applications of the machine learning and the deep learning. So I hope you have enjoyed the course. Exam will not be so difficult. Okay, any doubts? If you have, then you can write in the chat box. We can discuss. Okay, if you have any questions, then you can again write in the chat box. So one question just now I have seen Momita Manna. It would be really helpful if we get some books or other study materials from which we can study and practice numerical questions. So in the beginning, I told you that numerical solving books are not available in this course, machine learning. But I mentioned one book. The name of the book is the Pattern Classification by Duda and Hart. So in the Duda and Hart book, you can see many problems on Bayesian classification, parameter estimation, decision trees. So you can see that book, the machine learning or the pattern classification by Duda and Hart. And I think no books are available having the solved numerical papers, numerical problems. So if you understand the concept, I think numerical problem will not be difficult. So even in the open source also, you will get some numerical questions. So just you can see the internet and you will get some questions in the internet, just in the Google, and the numerical problems may be available, but the books are not available having the numerical problems and also the solutions. But one book I mentioned, that is the Duda and Hart book. You will get problems, most of the problems, but solutions are not available. So you have to try. In exam, questions will be mainly 30% numerical base and rest will be concept base. So if you minutely observe the videos, if you minutely watch the videos, then the concept is not difficult. And I think at least 70-80% questions you can answer. For remaining 20%, you have to see how to solve the numericals. It also depends on your understanding of the concept. So if you have any questions, then just you can write in the chat box. And this is the second live session of the course. So we have another 2 live sessions of this course. So please write in the chat box. Okay, thank you, Momita Manna. So we have another 15 minutes of this live session. So if you have any questions, then you can ask me here. So I'm waiting for your questions. So if you have any questions, you can write in the chat box in MS Team or maybe in this YouTube. You can write your questions. So we have to conclude this session within 15 minutes. So if you have any questions, then you can write in the chat box. So if you have any questions, then you can ask me in this live session. I'm available. So Momita, you are writing another question. So sir, I'm interested in pursuing research studies in computer vision and deep learning. Yes, I've just started literature studies. Can you please guide me what NPTEL course should do be? So you can see that I have one NPTEL course on computer vision and image processing in the next semester. So you can take that course. And even in the NPTEL courses, there are some courses on deep learning. One is the IIT Madras course, and another one is Professor P.K. Biswas from IIT Kharagpur and deep learning. So you will get many courses on deep learning. So my course machine learning is, I think it is sufficient for understanding the machine learning and the deep learning. For computer vision course, you can take my course in the next semester. And also image processing courses are available, but I think in my course, I have discussed most of the important concepts of computer vision and image processing. So you can take that course in the next semester. And also you can see some of the courses of deep learning, particularly IIT Madras, one course is there. And also the Andrew NZ, that course is also on deep learning, machine learning. It is available in the YouTube. So you can see that course by Andrew NZ. So I think that will be okay. And I think you are now doing MTech or maybe the BTech. I don't know about you. So I think if you are interested in computer vision, then you can see my book on computer vision and image processing. So that book is also available in the website. That book also you can see the computer vision and image processing, and also that my NPTEL course on computer vision and image processing, and also other NPTEL courses on image processing, and also the deep learning. So we have another 10 minutes of this live session. So if you have any questions, then you can write in this chat box. I will be happy to give answers of your questions. So Momita, Manna, if you have any questions, you can write in the chat box. So up till now, we have covered up to week number 7. So it is a 12 weeks course, and we have almost 4 to 43 video lectures of this course. In computer vision and image processing in the next semester, you will get that is 12 weeks course on computer vision and image processing. And in that course also, you will get around 41, 42 videos of the course on computer vision and image processing. That course also you can see. So if you have any questions, then you can write in the chat box. So I have only another 10 minutes. So within this 10 minutes, we have to conclude the live session of this course. So there will be another 2 live sessions of the course on machine learning and deep learning, fundamentals and applications. Okay, then if you do not have any questions, we have to conclude within 5 minutes. If you have any questions, you can write in the chat box. So in the beginning of this live session, I have mentioned that what are the contents of the course, and up to the week number 7, what we have discussed, and what we are going to discuss in the next 5 weeks of the course, so that you can see. So, okay, then since you don't have any questions, we have to conclude this live session, second live session. So I think we can conclude. I think no more questions in this live session. So only I think 1 or 2 minutes. So we can conclude the live session. So CET, is it okay? We can conclude the live session. Yes. Okay. So I am now logging out from the. Hello. Hello. So I can wait another 4 minutes. I can wait for another 4 minutes. So let us see any questions in the live session. Okay, then I'm concluding this live session. So maybe we can discuss all the things in the next live session of the course. So thank you for joining this live session. So I'm now logging out from the live session. Thank you. Thank you so much. So CET is okay? CET? Okay. Okay.